Hi, this is Sonia with Artsy Solutions, and welcome to day 73 of the Essence of Time, and it's hosted by Vera of Spilled Coffee Crafts. And this is a 100-day project where you take 10 minutes of your day and see what you can make within that time frame. So the last session we made some of these little, I did some stamping, and I went on ahead and fussy cut them out. And distressed them, just that way I could go ahead and start decorating our little postcards that we're going to be making. So today I'm going to be that's what I'm going to be doing, is making the postcards, and I want to use these cute little images that she gave me, that Vera had given me. It was part of a giveaway that I had won. So I'm going to use it along with some stamping, and I'm just going to use this. I have a piece of coffee dyed paper. This is from like an old scrapbook paper. It was a 12 by 12 pack, but I had cut up several of them. This was like last year sometime. I cut it up into 8.5 by 11 sheets and just coffee dyed them, because it was a paper pack that I wasn't really, it wasn't really my style. But well, some of it was, but some of the other stuff I didn't really care for. So the back side, I'm going to cut these down into probably, well, I guess I should measure it, because they're going to be fitting down into what I was going to say, they were going to fit into these pockets, but I do need to start I need to make some more ephemera to fill into some of these other pockets and stuff as well. So we'll just make these, I guess, 5 by 7 if it's big enough, and then I'll be stamping like on the back of here, and then I'll decorate it on this front part. So I'm trying to think. Yeah, I'll be decorating on this side. So let me go ahead and start the timer for 10 minutes. And so what did I say, 5 by 7? Let's see, 7. I hope it'll be big enough. Or should I do it like this? Let me do it like this. Make it 7 inches from this side. And then we'll do 5 inches from this side. Or is that going to be too big? It might not be too big. 5 by 7. That won't be too big. Yeah, all right. And then I'm just going to sit these over to the side. And like I said, I know that I'm going to be, these are going to be like where we add our stamping. So where it's going to say like postcard and things like that, and mail to, and whatever, stuff like that. So I wanted them to have 2 slightly different looks. So I'm going to need this to be in the middle. So let me get my, what do you call it? Stamping block. This one's kind of wonky, so I don't know. Let me see if I can straighten it out. Let me just see if I can straighten it out on here all the way. Like I said, somehow my stamps do whatever they want to do. Sometimes they cooperate, sometimes they don't. But take care of your stamps and stencils and whatever you have so it can last long. Don't do like I've done and didn't follow my own advice. And then you're stuck trying to recover. Hopefully it'll go on straight. Alright, so where's my ink? We're going to be using some jet black archival ink as usual. And oh, that doesn't look too straight. Hopefully it's going to work though. I mean, these are just lines. Let me see. Please stay in a straight line so it doesn't look all messed up. Okay, maybe let's try it. All right, let's try to get this centered. Even if it's not centered, it's okay. All right. Okay, I can live with that. It's not perfect, but yeah, I can live with that. And then I'm going to be adding some more, like, you know, just off the wall stuff on here. Not off the wall, but like just different stamps and stuff on this side. And then we're going to decorate it on the other side. But I'm probably first going to do this side, because this is the side that's going to take me the longest to get stuff on here. Okay. All right, and then I'm going to use, where did I put my stuff? Okay. Here it is. Yeah. I'm going to be using different types of like correspondence type stuff. So this one's going to have like some big lines, and the other one's going to have like some small lines. And it's not going to be perfect, but try to get these lines on here. Okay, I can live with that. So that one has that style of line. This one is going to have a smaller kind of line. I probably could use my small block, but it's okay. We'll put this here. Okay, I'm satisfied with that. I might just do 2 sets of them. And now keep in mind, I did some stamping yesterday or really today, honestly, because it's the same day. But anyway, all right, and then I'm going to add carte post style, like in the center. Let me line this up on a line so it's not like all messed up, like curved, you know what I mean? Hold on. If I can get it to stay on there. This might take me 2 days. Thought it was just gonna be 1, but we've still got 5 minutes left. Carte post style. Should I put it here or should I put it further up? I think I'm gonna put it up here and like, yeah. Carte post style. You can't really see it, but it can kind of look like it's faded. That's fine. Yeah, I'll try it again on this other postcard. Maybe it'll be darker. Let's see. And then maybe this time I'll just put this down through here. It's a little bit darker. That'll work. All right, so we've got that. We have correspondence. Let me use a smaller block. Correspondence. Sometimes making these cards, it takes some time. Put that here. And then I'm gonna put it like right here. All right, and then we're going to use some of these like postage type of stuff, and it can just be random, you know. And then for first class, I think I might stamp this in red just cause like right there. Oh, okay. Well, it's going to take us 2 days to finish these postcards, which I'm cool with. All right, so that's it for now, and then we're going to complete it on the next session. So this is where we're at so far, which isn't too bad. And we're definitely going to have to decorate this front. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos, blog, and social media sites. And as always, I thank you guys so much for watching.